Good morning, everybody. How's it going? I am using one of our new transfers. Welcome to my live. If you've never been here before, my name's Debbie, and I'm an independent designer with Chalk Couture. Today, we're going to be using permanent ink, and I'm also going to be doing a t-shirt because I am definitely a country girl from Alabama, and I love, love, love our ink on t-shirts because I get to wear them, and you know, I just like it. It's part of being creative. So as you're hopping on, say hello and tell me where you're watching from. This is one of our new transfers, and don't you love it? I'm sure I'm going to be using it many, many ways, but today I'm going to add it to a t-shirt. Sorry for the pause. Just gotta make sure I'm online. Yes, there I am. Anyway, whenever we're inking on t-shirts, you want to use one of our ink mats. Put it in between your fabric. It's a sticky mat and it keeps your ink from going through to the other side. Hey, Kyle. So anyway, put your ink mat in between your fabric. Hello, Tammy. And when you're using one of our transfers on fabric, you do not have to fuzz it. It will stick wonderfully to fabric. And our ink is permanent after you heat set it, but, and that looks a little crooked, you can wash it out of your transfer with water. I like to put my designs up high. You can put it anywhere you like. I know some people say, you put your designs too high. But they're not too high for me. Hey, Debbie from Georgia and Joan. So glad y'all could be here. I'm going to be using, of course, teal ink and also storm ink. I'm going to do Country Girl and teal, and then the windmill. I think it's a windmill. Y'all, I'm crazy. In the storm. And I'm just going to use my squeegee to make sure that this is all pressed down well and there's no bubbles. And what I will do is I'll ink the project and then I'll heat set it with my iron so I can wear it. Hopefully I can wear it tonight on the live. And just like with the paste, you take your ink and spread it all around your transfer, covering up all the silkscreen area. And the silkscreen area is just the part where you can see through. That's a screen, and it's supposed to be there. It makes your projects come out so pretty. You don't have to weed it. You just pull it off the backer sheet and start crafting or DIYing or creating t-shirts, whatever you like to do. I'm trying to be careful not to get any ink on my country girl. Thanks, Helen. I had to make me a shirt so I can get dressed today. That's why y'all just see my hands. No, I'm just kidding. But I could not, y'all, so many of these transfers I can't wait to use. I'm like, I'm just going to hop on here and do me a t-shirt. If y'all enjoy the lives, I hope you'll invite your friends to watch. The more the merrier. Alright, now I'm just going to make sure I've got everything covered well without getting any gray in my area where I'm going to use the teal. And the ink does not dry as fast as the chalk paste, so you don't have to hurry. Hey, Beverly. Hey, Emma. Thank y'all for watching. Okay, now for the teal. So pretty. That's just like a yummy color right there. And now I'm just going to squeegee all across. And now I'm just going to let this air dry. And then I'll heat set it with my heat press. But you can use your iron too. If you use your iron, put it on a medium setting. And move your iron around. Put a piece of parchment paper over it. And move your iron around for about 4 minutes on both sides. Do front and back. Don't let your iron sit in one spot. Keep that iron moving. If you're using a heat press, like I have the Easy Press, and I usually set the temp at 350 degrees. Thanks for sprinkling. Anyway, if you have the Cricut Easy Press, I set it for 350 and then press on both sides for 30 seconds. Y'all, that's how fast it is. It turns out so nice. Alright, I'm just going to remove the transfer. These transfers are made out of fabric, so they're very flexible. And very sticky and reusable dozens of times. And that turned out so cute. So I will let this dry and then I'll heat set it and then I'll wear it. And I'll try to wear it as soon as possible. Hey Stacy, thank y'all for sprinkling. And y'all, that is all I've got. That's how fast it is to create a permanent inked t-shirt. So fast. Isn't that pretty? Hopefully I'll get this dried and I'll be able to wear it on my live tonight. So y'all, have an awesome day and I will see you later. Until then, y'all just be thinking about this country girl wearing her country girl t-shirt. Y'all have an awesome day. Thank you. I'll list the transfer if anybody's interested in it. Just say shop in the comments.